Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Lift the cover of the plastic case on top of the battery by pulling the retaining tabs apart. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the holding screw from the cables on the positive terminal. Finish taking them off by hand, then take out the two electric cables. Remove the cables from their tracks. Unclip the whole of the box and position it so that it doesn't get in the way of future movements. Lift the plastic cover on the lower left-hand side to access the terminal. Lift the holding latch on the terminal to be able to remove it. To remove the cover of the battery box, pull upwards to unclip it, then towards you to take it off. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the negative terminal and remove it. The calculator stops you from accessing the battery holding system. You must pull it out. To do this, take it in your hands and pull upwards. Once free, pivot it to place it on its side so that it doesn't get in the way of the following steps. With a socket wrench, a long extension and a 10mm socket, remove the nut and take off the fastening plate of the battery.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Pull the plastic cover away from the battery and remove it. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the battery fastening plate in place, then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Put the calculator back in place, making sure to slide it onto its rails. It should be fixed and flat against the battery box. Put the negative terminal back in place, all while holding it full in place, and screw it in place with a socket wrench. Put the battery cover back on, inclining the cover forward so that it goes in, then push it downwards to lock it in place. Put the plastic box back in by sliding it towards you into its housing. Put the first cable back in place. Remember to correctly position the cable into the correct place indicated on the battery box. The second cable is linked to the positive terminal. You also have to pass the guide before fixing it into the board. Finish by tightening the screw with the help of a socket wrench, then close the cover. Reconnect the positive terminal while simply flipping the locking cap downwards. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.